Hey guys, so today I have a warm brown smoky eye look for you, and it's so pretty. I'm literally obsessed with it. Excuse my hair, I feel like I say that in every video, but it's always looking a mess. Yeah, so if you want to know how I got this beautiful look, keep on watching. So first I'm gonna start by putting the Shape Tape on my eyelids, and I also use this to carve out my brows. Oh my god. I used this to carve out my brows, and I also used the ColourPop one on the top part of my brows, and it looks kind of wonky, but once I put on foundation, it won't look as wonky, I promise. Sorry I sound so raspy. It's literally morning time and I am half awake. Ow, my face hurts. I'm sunburned. And I have a zit right there. It's so lovely. I love zits. It's great. So I'm not gonna set the concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking a fluffy brush and I'm gonna be picking up this color right here. I'm just gonna be putting that in my crease. This mauvey color right here, I'm putting that in my crease as well. I'm bringing it up, kind of, so kind of like in my crease and above my crease. And it's okay if it's messy on the sides because we're gonna clean that up with concealer. Then I'm gonna go in with this color right here, which is a darker tan, very light brown color. And I'm just gonna be putting that right into the crease. Honestly, you need to get this palette. It is such good quality and it's only $7 at Ulta. Like, what? I'm then gonna be going in with this warm brown and just further deepening my crease with this. Okay, so then I'm gonna be going in with this darker chocolatey warm brown and putting that in my inner crease, focusing it on the inner part at first. So concentrate it towards the edge of your eye and then slowly bring it in, but not all the way in. Then I'm going in with, this is hard. I'm going to be taking this color right here, which is a darker chocolatey brown, and also focusing that on the outer part of my crease, but also blending it in towards the center. So just packing it on the edges, blending it in. We're gonna take a little bit of this super dark brown and we're gonna put that right at the edge. We're not gonna blend it into the crease, we're just gonna put it in the outer V. Then I'm going in with this color right here again and just blending out the edges so that dark brown isn't looking too harsh in the crease. Alright, I'm going to be taking this Morphe M441 brush, taking this color, I'm going to be taking this transition shade and blending above. And to add like the teeniest amount of depth, I'm just going to be adding a little bit of black, not too much because the black can get intense, so just be careful with it. Okay, now I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild loose pigment in Noel, Mario Badescu. Cutting my lid, not really my crease, with the pigment. And this pigment is like pretty pigmented, so you don't need like a concealer base under it. You can just get away with layering the pigment by itself. Look how pretty that is. So I'm basically pouring it with a half circle, so basically covering my whole lid with it, and then once it is. I'm going to be taking, which one should we do? I'm going to be taking this color right here. And blending that towards the edge. And then I'm going to be taking the darkest brown that we used, like the super dark chocolate brown, and putting that in the outer part. So I'm going to be using the Pore Filler by NYX and Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I'm just popping that under my eyes. I'm going to do them one at a time. Oh, I forgot how pigmented this was. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me in Light and just packing that under my eyes. Don't worry, we'll fix it. Did I say that was everything? Like, don't worry, I'll fix it. I know it's good shit, but I'll fix it. I'm gonna take the LA Pro Conceal in Toast. I'm gonna take the Rimmel Sunlight Bronzer with the same brush and just bring that more on my cheeks to warm up more of my face. I'm gonna be taking the Milani blush in, hold up, in Romantic Rose, and look at how cute that is. I'm just gonna be putting that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm gonna be using my L'Oreal Shake and Glow spray. I got a new fan, guys, but it's broke, so it kind of works. I'm gonna be using the Mary Luminizer It's a classic. I'm just gonna be using my Morphe M510. I'm just applying that to my cheekbones. This is such a good highlighter. Like, I love this one. I'm gonna be taking this color and just bringing that under. Then I'm going in with this more reddish brown and smudging that under as well. Beautiful. I am going to add some winged eyeliner and it's going to take me forever, so I will come right back to you guys after I'm finished. I just lined my eyes with the NYC Extreme Black Liquid Liner, and now I'm going to apply my Ardell Twin lashes in 601. I'm going to use my NARS Climax mascara to prep my eyes for the lashes, and then after I put these on and they dry, I'm going to reapply this to kind of blend them together. Look at these lashes, they're so pretty. I really hate that right there. That's really bothersome because it's so ugly, but it's fine. I'm fine. It's fine. We're all fine.
Wow, I feel like a baby.
I usually don't wear dark lipsticks, but let's do something dark today. I have really small lips, if you couldn't already tell, and they're so annoying. I hate having small lips. If you have big lips, you're blessed, okay? Blessed. I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay, the Urban Decay Naked pencil. I love this thing. I want to either buy the full size or find like a close dupe, because homegirl, it's $20 or $18. I don't know how much it is, but I imagine it's like $20. I'm gonna be using World today. I'm gonna be taking the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Lovely, and I'm taking a pencil brush.
Also kind of bringing it up into the eyeshadow.
So for this look, I will be using the oh, my power just went out for like a second.